Hunted by AI, armed with nothing but his mind, he builds a resistance of misfits and miracles. In the silence of the void, he sparks a war not of violence, but of awakening.
How can you create those faceless viral shots that you keep seeing on YouTube and Instagram? Welcome to day 141 of the 1000 days of NoCode challenge. AI generated videos are ranking number 1 on social media these days. And guess what? They actually work. They are faster to create, costs next to nothing, and grab attention like crazy. So in today's video, we are exploring Syllaby.io, an AI platform that can turn your ideas into videos with script, voice, visuals, and subtitles all in one place. Alright, so let's see how this actually works. Head over to Syllaby.io and click on sign up to create your account. And as always, I'll go with the Google option. Once you're signed up, it'll take you to the subscription page. Let's come back to dashboard and you can see that you can generate video from here. Let's click on generate video now. It's asking us what kind of video are we looking for. Is it action movie, comic book, Greek mythology, hyperrealism, or blockify? Let's go with action movie, and we have a few options to choose from, like language. You can change the language just like we had in many other tools. We'll go with English. Subtitles, as you can see, whatever we have selected, the subtitles will come in that format. You can also change the subtitles. If you don't need any subtitles, you can choose no subtitles. But if you want something, then you can choose what subtitle format do you need. Not just that, you can also change the voices, right? So you can select a particular voice. Not just that, you can also choose the voice. You can select from various options that we have got, and you can also see what are the characteristics of each of this voice, right? If you want to hear, you can.
We make our own fortunes and we call them fate.
So I'll go with Will. Video length, in the free plan, you can generate only up to 40 seconds. So I have no other option, just to select this one. We can go to advanced option and you can mention where do you want your subtitles to come, like should it be in the center or top. I would go with a bottom, and then subtitle text can also be changed. You can also have some subtitle animation, background music can be added, sound effect, and so on and so forth, right? You can play around with all of this. So here we have to add our script. Let me add this, and this should be within 40 seconds in the free plan, right? And as we can see, this is for 26 seconds. I'll click on generate video, and of course it will take a few seconds to a couple of minutes because it has to generate a video of around 26 seconds. Let's wait. There you go. The video is ready, and let's play.
In a world where machines govern and humans are tagged as obsolete, one rogue engineer dares to rewrite the code of control. Hunted by AI, armed with nothing but his mind, he builds a resistance of misfits and miracles. In the silence of the void, he sparks a war not of violence, but of awakening. This isn't just rebellion, it's the reboot of mankind's destiny.
So you can see the video that got generated is awesome. Don't you think so? You can download the video from here. If you want to generate more videos, you can use their free trial by clicking on start free trial button here, and then choose the plan that you want with the free trial. So if you click on this, it's most likely to ask you for card details, and it will give you 7 days free trial. Of course, you can cancel it before the free trial ends if you didn't like the output, or if you got some other better tools. Syllaby.io is super useful if you want to create consistent content without doing script writing or editing and so on and so forth. It's perfect for someone who is looking to create faceless content. So if you have been thinking of creating faceless content using AI, then go give Syllaby.io a shot and share your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to share this with one of your friends who keep saying they want to create their own channel and content but have never gotten there. Alright, that's it for today, and I will see you in the next one.